Beautiful. How to make Tandoori Chicken Kebabs. Beautiful. Delicious. 3 tablespoons tomato puree. 3 teaspoons madras powder. 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, garlic, ginger, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, cumin, and chili powder. Slap it all in a big bowl. Get off my plate, powders. Now give it all a stir. Now that the powders have all been incorporated, you want to add about 6 spoonfuls of plain yogurt, full fat. See how quickly our powders have turned into this beautiful marinade. Make sure it is stirred completely. I'm going to add a little more tomato puree for that richness in color and flavor. I'm using 1 whole lemon, squeezed with the strength of the gods. Now that our marinade is complete, it's time to add our diced chicken breast. I have used 3 large chicken breasts for this mixture. You want to make sure every single piece of chicken is covered with our beautiful marinade. For best results, let it rest for at least 1 hour or overnight in the fridge. And now it is time to add it all to our skewers. I previously prepared some chopped up onions with red pepper and yellow pepper. I used metal skewers, but if you have wooden skewers, you need to soak them for at least 30 minutes so they will not burn. This mixture will provide 4 large kebabs. The fresh peppers make it all look so vibrant and beautiful. Whilst I am preparing these kebabs, I have preheated my oven to 200 degrees. And then you want to put it down to 180 for approximately 35 to 40 minutes for best results. Check out my other tandoori recipes. All the information will be in the description below, along with the links and annotations. Yes, the preparation is completed. They are unbelievable when cooked on a barbecue also. Your friends are going to love you for this one. The skewers are cooked to perfection. Look at that chow. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. It smells like spicy heaven. Fresh out of the oven. It's tickling my nostril hairs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see future content. And of course, we're going to pour the juices all over it. Do not waste a drop. For my friends watching, I will cook this for you anytime you like. For a small fee, of course. I'm not le charity. Beautiful. You see? Aren't you glad you made it to the end of the video? These will be the best tandoori chicken kebabs you have ever tasted. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. That's the tops. Oh, oh. Beautiful.